The G9 Mark II has vastly improved image stabilization, with 8 stops when you use conventional lenses, and 7.5 stops of stabilization with dual IS when you use telephoto or super telephoto lenses. This means your video footage will be stable and professional, even if you use extremely long lenses, but it's also great for photography too. Let's start with some handheld tests. As you can see, you can get up to and even beyond 4 seconds of handheld long exposures with the G9 Mark II. That is incredible. It's ideal for those moments when you're out and about and you want to capture something quickly without the need for a tripod. I use this style of shooting all the time when I'm shooting street photography and landscape photography, and I have to say that the G9 Mark II is the most impressive of any camera I've ever used. Even without a gimbal, you can get some professional, steady results with the LUMIX G9 Mark II. Here are some handheld shots that I've captured with the camera. You can mimic slider shots, add movement to clips, and even walk with your subject and still get great results. And while the IBIS alone in the G9 Mark II is impressive enough, there's now a brilliant new update to IBIS, and this corrects even large shakes in your footage. It can also be used to correct perspective distortion in camera during video shooting with wide-angle lenses. One of the most overlooked benefits of IBIS is when it comes to shooting wildlife or sports with longer lenses. Sometimes you don't have the space for a monopod or a tripod. Sometimes there's nothing to lean on to stabilize your shots. With the G9 Mark II, even completely handheld at 400mm, which is 800mm in full frame terms, you can get very smooth and stable shots. And because the overall size and weight of the microfourthirds system is compact, you don't get fatigue in the same way that you would with a full frame setup. It also makes tracking subjects a lot easier when you're shooting stills. You can follow the animals in your viewfinder and it all looks smooth. As you can see, the image stabilization is superb within the G9 Mark II for both photo and video.